All right, just got the call, and the owner is coming to pick this car up in 45 minutes. So this is like a MKR. We've got 45 minutes. We've got to run around, clean up the car, present it, stage it, because that's what we do here in Perth, and get it looking its absolute best, so there's a wow factor when this customer sees it for the first time. I'll give you a bit of a preview while we're cleaning. This is epic. I feel like we almost need a name for this car. Maybe we'll call it what's written on the snorkel. We'll call it BANKRUPT. So if you want to reference this car in the future when you call us up at 4x4 DNA, just say, I want one like the BANKRUPT car. Let's talk about what we've actually done to this car. So I've got the job card here, it's all checked off. We've done the 4499 GVM upgrade from BMW, but not as you know it. Obviously the theme of the car is green. So lower control arms, green. Front upper control arms, green. Everything that's not black, we painted green. So let me show you the detail of this car underneath the car. So I guess all of these cars are inspired by the original Samurai, but it's really stepping up a level now. Let's look under the car. All right, as I was saying, green lower control arms. There's green lights all underneath the car. And whether I can get an image on this, but the coil, they're Samurai red coils that have been painted black and green, just as a highlight there too. Interlock airbags, of course. Barely need to shine a new light on here because we've put a STEDI green light onto the green painted upper control arms, and then we've made the coil just black at the front to match in with the black and green theme. I'll get more into the paint in a moment, but let's go through bar work, rims and tyres. I reckon Robert Razzler would be pretty happy with the way this is painted up, knowing that he's into his greens as well. But we've got the Razzler bar on the front, STEDI spotlights, the Evos, to match the green theme as well, and the STEDI light bar in the middle. Following it around, I'll get to the snorkel. I think I should show off these Dash Samurai sliders. It's like a mirror coat. I've got a bit of extra light on there so you can appreciate the finish of the black. And then at the back, my God, look at this. This is the Mutant Crystal paint that 4x4 DNA Perth especially is becoming known for. It's like a three-dimensional chemical enhanced crystal paint. It is sensational. Look at the visuals of this car. All right, I think it's time to look at the snorkel because this is the hero. This is the Dargo DNA snorkel, minimum cutting required, but the paint. All right, he's bankrupt now. Have a look at this. It's the detail and effect of this crystal paint. It's unique. No two will ever be the same. But how good does it look? Incredible. And functional. So it's not just for looks. The snorkel works. The detail continues with the paint. With the Nissan badge at the front and the rear as well. Colour-coded slimline flares from Dash Off-Road, trying to cover up this big Barjar Boss rubber with the loaded Canning wheels, which look mint. Lighting, following on from the STEDI, we've moved to laser lamps on the roof. This 36 laser lamp linear Elite, in my opinion, and from personal experience, the laser lamp linear 36 is probably the best light spot or light bar that I've seen, full stop. That's my go-to, I use it all the time, and so we recommend it. If you want the best lighting, that's what we do. I'll briefly mention the Rhino roof rack, but that was supplied by Nissan. But I want to talk about the STEDI lights at the back here. So these are switchable, and we'll open the back up here. Ti-L, this one, the drawers. We'll get to the drawers in a second. But we've got the safety switch. So we've got the work lights on the left and right hand side, like that. And they can be switched between white on amber or both. And then we've also got the safety light up the top here. So I can click a button and go amber or white or whatever I want to do. That's both of them on together. So you can look at a pinky look. Let's just do amber, please. Or amber and white, there you go. And that's all dimmable, controllable as well. So the lighting package is really next level. Compressor in here, of course, onboard air up the front. The way we've decided to do the onboard air in these 25-26s is have everything hidden behind this cover. So when I open this up, we've got the onboard air gauge, in green of course, and then the actual switches, can I get to that, are just down here next to the brake controller. Drawer system on this one, we've gone for the full bore, Stockton I believe it's called, with the fridge built in, and then you've got a huge drawer and then underneath table, and this double extends all the way, so that would come right out to the wall basically. Heaps of bench space, and it's all vented at the back, so if you need to get anything at the back, all the BCDC charger and everything's under there, and there's an Invicta 100 amp hour underneath. The Invicta battery, let's see if we can see it here. I don't know if you can appreciate the app, but it's got an app on there as well. You can have a look at the cycles, you can have a look how much current's going in and out and all those sorts of things. I think it's time to start this beast and see what it sounds like. So this has got the Manta loud stainless system on it. All right, let's do what we do. Foot on brake. Hopefully the keys are in the car. No key detected. Okay, let's do what we do best. Give her a rev. All right, it took me like 4 goes to try and start the car. And I should talk about the other thing. You can't steal this, it's got a ghost immobiliser on it. And I'm not showing you the code. But that's what she sounds like. Wow, it is loud. That'll calm down in a second. What I'll do is I'm gonna leave the microphone right down here and I'm gonna go give it a rev. It's definitely loud and it's definitely going to put a smile on the owner's face. Finishing this car off, clear view mirrors, dash bash plates. It's a pretty sweet looking ride. In comments, tell me what you think it needs. I could think of one thing that goes under the bonnet. What do you reckon? Come on, go up close, have a look. It's pretty good, eh? Wow, paintwork for the final part of it, but that's not a hit, that's coming.
No, because I rolled back
I'll talk about that a bit more in a second. So you've got the safety switches up the top. So you've got your 40 litre ever-cooled fridge in here. Nice important thing. Yep. I pissed these on pretty good. Your whole hatch out and then let it breathe. Let it breathe. Yeah. Like down like south you'll be fine, but if you ever go up north, that's where you need to do that just to keep temp.
See, no one's ever going to be able to find this damn thing, man. So if anyone does break into your car, they've got absolutely zero chance of actually finding the module to attach it.
Yep. Oh, yep. And this is your onboard air system under here, in green of course. And every like gap between the white and the red will be exactly the same. And then we've labelled them all. So obviously, light bar, spotties. Oh, sorry, that's the light bar on the front. That's the light bar on the roof. We've got 2 for the compressor and 1 for the red up. Yep. Pretty chuffed how this one turns out. I hope the customer's just as happy. If you want this sort of build for your car, 4x4 DNA, Adelaide, Melbourne, Perth, Patrols is what we do.